Welcome friends, welcome dear students of class 7th. Once again this is Asif from Mode International School, Hiswa. In this video we will learn how to solve the questions. The topic name is fractions exercise, test paper second. Okay, we have to solve some of the questions from test paper 2. Okay, all these questions are connected just previous exercise. Okay, now have a look. The first question is define the fractions, vulgar fractions, improper fractions, and with two examples. You can do it because we have already learned. Now second question is what should be added. Suppose question number second is here. What should be added? Here is added to 63/5 to get 15. What should be added? Suppose मान लेते हैं let x should be added. Suppose let x be added to 63/5. Okay, now according to the question, okay, x should be added 63/5. X should be added becomes 15. What should be added to 63/5 to get 15? That means we have to add x to this. According to the question becomes 15. Now first of all we have to then, or we can bring in over there, or we can change improper fraction. 30 6 5 30 plus 3 33. 33/5 plus x is equal to 15. Now we have to find the value of x. So x is as it is. Now this is 15 as it is. Now we have to bring this fraction to the right side with the opposite sign. Here is the sign positive. No, the opposite sign is minus. Okay, and we can solve. And actually you know how to solve this question. This is the subtraction of fraction. Okay, first of all take the LCM of 1 and 5. Write the LCM and divide the LCM by 1. Whatever the question get, question multiply by 15. Okay, write the minus sign. Then we have to divide the LCM by this 5. Whatever the question get, multiply by 33. Then solve and you will get the solution. Okay, you can do it. See the next question, because question number 3rd, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the similar questions as the previous. Okay, now see the question number 13. Question number 9. Each side of a square is 2/3 meter long. That means here is the square, and you know about the square. In a square all sides are equal. Yes, all sides are equal, and each interior angle is 90 degree. Very good, 90 degree. Okay, now all sides are equal. Suppose this is or a this is also. Now find its area. Now remember, area of square is side square. Right from the formula. Now area of a square is equal to side square. Okay, side square. Here side is a square. Here a is 5 2/3 raised to whole square. Okay, now see how to solve this question. First of all, change this mixed fraction into improper. That means we have to multiply 5 multiply by 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17/3 raised to power 2. And we have learned about the concept of power. Okay, this is 17. This can be written as 2 times. This can be written as 2 times. Now 17 multiply by 17, whatever the number we multiply, and this become 9. Or now turn into improper fraction, mixed fraction. This gives us your answer. Okay, this is unit meter square, because this is the area, because here is meter, here is also meter into meter square. Okay, here is meter square. Okay, I hope you can do it. 17 multiply, you have to multiply 17 multiply by 17, whatever the number write down, and 3 multiply by 3 write down 9. Okay, now divide this number by 9 and turn this fraction into mixed fraction, okay, and this will give you answer, okay. Question number 13, group B, only tick mark, but we have to solve the question, then you can mark, okay. Now solution. First of all, change this mixed fraction into improper. We have to multiply this 5 1 5 plus 2 7 7 by 5, and change division into multiplication, and we have to also change this number, this 3 by 2, that means the reciprocal of 2 by 3. We have to write the reciprocal of 2 by 3. If we change this operation as multiplication, okay, then we have to change this number as a reciprocal of this number. Now 7, this is, will add 7 3 ja, because 7 multiplied by 3, numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. This becomes 21 upon this is 10. Okay, now we have to write, first of all, match a question, change the fraction. This is mixed fraction 10. Now divide 10 to the 20, okay, 1 10 as it is, so 1 goes this here and 2 comes here, okay. Now this is answer, match the answer, A, B or C. This is A answer, okay, A is answer. This is, friends, see the next question, last question, question number 16, because all the questions are similar that you have solved in the previous exercise. Question number 16, last. A car runs, here is the written, a car runs 9 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 3 by 3 liter of petrol? That means, say, the question says, in 1 liter, car covers a distance 9 km, and we have to find this liter, how much distance will cover through by the car. See, first of all, write, since according to the question given in 1 liter a car runs 9 km, because here is the written, this can be written as from the question, okay. In 1 liter a car can runs 9 km, okay. Now in 3 by 3 liters, that means 1 kilometer means 9, so then 1 liter means 9 km, 2 liter means 9 into 2, that means we have to multiply. Suppose in 3 liter a car runs 3 multiplied by 9. Why? Because 1 liter a car runs 9 km. Then in 2 liter a car runs 9 plus 9 means 2 into 9. Then in 3 liter the car can runs 3 multiplied by 9. That means here in this question we have to multiply the liter with kilometer. We will get the required answer. Now here, इसलिए therefore in 3 by 3 liter a car runs 9 multiplied by this liter, okay. This can be written as 3 3 is 9 plus 2 11, 11 by 3, 9 multiplied 11 by 3, 3 will get cancelled, 3 3 is 9, so 3 multiplied by 11, this is 33 kilometer. That means therefore we can write a car cover a distance of 2 by 3 cover a distance using 2 by 3 liter of petrol as 33 kilometer. Okay, I hope you understood, and this is your homework. Your homework is test paper to solve all the questions, to solve remaining questions, okay, to solve the remaining questions. If you have any doubt or any queries, if you will have any doubt, ask me. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.